Krishna. Today I'm demonstrating a fast beat variation that you can use for Lofa Tal, otherwise known as 2 beats. And this one I saw in a Kirtan with Amal Harinam. Vrindavan Kirtan Prabhu is playing. And this is a variation, for those of you who have been learning from the Mridanga book, of Kaharba Lohara, style 4, number 2. Da ginita ki ti ta ginita gi ti. Again. Da ginita ki ti ta ginita gi ti. So, in order for it to be a 12 beat, so this is like an 8 beat. In order for it to be a 12 beat, we have to play that second line twice. And it's going to be all closed. So, da ginita ki ti ta ginita ki ti ta ginita ki ti. Da ginita ki ti ta ginita ki ti ta ginita ki. Now I'm going to break it down. Da ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Da ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Da ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Again, slower. Da ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Da ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. So pause the video and just try to work on one small part at a time, and then gradually expand to playing the whole mantra. Da ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Now we'll start from slow and gradually speed up. Da ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Da ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Ginita ki ti. Da ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Da ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Da ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Da ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Da ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. Tak ginita ki ti. So in order to play it in that kirtan, you have to play it quite fast. I'm going to demonstrate how this can be played in the kirtan, and you'll notice that I'm gonna be playing the Lofa Tal very simple to start with, so that it's not confusing for you, and you can just focus on that single beat there. hope that gave you an idea of how that would be used in Kirtan. And again, it has to be played quite fast, so you're gonna have to take this, start slow, gradually speed up, and then once you have the speed, then you can try playing it in the Kirtan. Okay, let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave it in the comment section below. And I usually try to make videos based on the beats my students are learning, but if I get a lot of requests for a specific beat on YouTube, then I'll also try to make one for all of you. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.